Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we do know that Vivek Singhal has his 80 companies divided into two groups, which are V40 and V40 Next. Now he has actually taught us how to use the indicators, but what if we can use the indicators in a better format? Suppose let's go to a V40 company. As you can see, Havels is a V40 company under consumer product section. And in V40 strategy, he teaches that the stock price must come below 200-day moving average, followed by 50-day moving average, followed by 20-day moving average, and then we can buy the stock. But it's very difficult to track when all these conditions are met. So that I have actually coded up everything. Now the work is just enabling the ticks over here, and over here. So this checkbox is to enable V40 strategy. This checkbox to plot 200-day moving average, 50-day moving average, and 20-day moving average, respectively. I'll click on OK, and you can see how elegantly the code has made the background green, which indicates that this condition has been met. And you can see currently the condition has been met. And we can backtrack, and when the background turns red, that means the sell condition is active. Sell condition becomes active whenever 200-day moving average and then 50-day moving average, and on top of that 20-day moving average, and on top of that there's our current market price. So this way it becomes very powerful and very easy to track whenever we can entry and exit out of the stock. Not only this, I have actually coded up even more. There is a strategy called as range bound, which is applicable on V40, V40 Next, and V200. If I enable that and disable V40, okay. So in the Hindi course, Vivek Singhal teaches whenever the stock price has continuous bunch of green candles, which has 20% upside movement, and our current price is lesser than that. So this is exactly 20%, and that is why this yellow or orangish line has been made by the Pine script. We can backtrack into the past. So this was another range, and this was quite a long while back. Similarly, we can go to some other V40 stock. Maybe we can go to Sanofi, and yes, this range bound is applicable on Sanofi. This is at 24.61% green candle up move. This is how you can easily track all the companies. And not only these, I have also coded up envelope, which gives a envelope on top of 200 moving average. Again, 52-week high and low. Enable labels. This is for the stocks which has 3 times in 3 year potential. Maybe we can go to a stock named Sula Vineyards. Vivek Singhal teaches that if the stock price is lesser than uh, one third of its price and the business financials are actually good, then it becomes a multi-bagger opportunities to make 3 times money in 3 years. Yeah, so This is a top label which has come up right now. We can go to another company called Sonata Software, and Sonata Software is actually 50% down from all-time high. And this is also a very elegant way to just check if the stock price is lesser than 50% or 67% lower than its all-time high. Uh, these are the indicators whatever he teaches in the course. And apart from these, if you watch his other videos, which are a bit older ones, he teaches about stochastic indicators, RSI indicators, and super trend indicators. Let's go through it one by one. So enable stochastic indicator. I have enabled it. So whenever the background is orange, that means you can quickly take a trade which can fetch you 5% gains within a month. This is one such opportunity. Did this give us 5% gain? Yes, it actually gave us 5% gain in less than 7 days. And the very recent one, yes, even this gave us a lot of gains within 8 days. And over here also, I'm pretty sure this is again higher than 5%. Even this is close to 5%. You can actually backtrack in Vivek Singhal's YouTube videos to understand more. And plot RSI. This is the RSI technique, and within the code, I have hard coded the values whatever Vivek Singhal actually tells us to do. Length is 14, oversold is 30, and bought RSI is 80. And if you see, RSI actually gives a separate uh, chart at the bottom. So even this is a buy range, buy range, buy range, buy range, buy range. So when the arrow becomes red, that is a sell range. So here was a sell range, buy range, sell range. If we would have taken trade somewhere over here, we could have made 42% gains in over a year. Coming to next indicator, which is called as plot super trend. Uh, in Vivek Singhal's video, he tells us to flip the colors, but that creates a lot of confusions. So in my code, I have flipped the colors, making it easy. Like whenever the stock, I mean the indicators turn from red to green, this is a buy range. And whenever stock indicator turns from green to red, that is a sell range. So if we would have taken trade over here, oh sorry, this should be for V40 stock. We can take some other V40 stock, suppose PGHH. So whenever stock turns, I mean the indicator turns from red to green, buy range. Whenever it comes from green to red, that is a buy a sell range. Okay, so this didn't fetch us much profits. 230 days, 5.21%. Yeah, we can backtrack. Maybe this would have given us better returns. And yeah, this actually gave us 12% in 445 days, which is not bad. All these indicators, the code part and how to use it, I'm gonna guide you. And the indicator will just cost you rupees 500. You can message me on Telegram and I'll tell you what to do next. Thank you all and have a great day. Jai Shri Krishna.